Hey guys, this is Circus Fit. I'm Kerri and I want to teach you about the bungee cord. So the bungee cord is our abdominals, and it's how our abdominals move and stabilize our rib cage and our pelvis and the relationship to each other. So first let's see what our bungee cord is. So here we want to talk about our bones. So here is our iliac crest, the bone down here, and then down here are our lower ribs. So not our floating ribs, but our lower ribs. So we're going to imagine that we're connecting a bungee cord into those lower ribs and then the other side into the iliac crest. And here is our ab stability. So we're going to imagine that the bungee cord gets tighter and draws the ribs down towards the iliac crest and the iliac crest up towards the ribs. And then we're going to imagine that bungee cord gets looser and stretches so the rib cage lifts up and the pelvis drops down. So we can do both of those at the same time or one at a time. So here's one at a time. We can drop the ribs down and up, down and up while stabilizing the lower bungee cord. We can also draw the pelvis down and up, or rather tipping the pelvis forward and back, keeping the ribs stable. Or we can do them both at the same time, working the whole front and back of the body. So what we want to think about is, while we're working with the bungee cord, is that it's never going to clip and snip and totally release. Even if we're doing any kind of back bending, we're always going to have connection in the bungee cord. So when we're moving through the bones, opening and closing, we're always feeling connected. So if we're opening up, then that bungee cord thinks of stretching long, but it's still nice and strong, keeping that connection between the ribs and the pelvis. And then when we're pulling everything together, we're imagining that bungee cord is lifting and pulling everything back into place. So it's the difference between releasing totally and then trying to roll forward and having a connection of lifting and arching and then connecting. So I encourage you to play with this bungee cord and working with just the lower half of the bungee cord and working with just the upper half of the bungee cord and working with both at the same time. Hope to see you soon.